Yo, what's up guys, Abdullah here, back with an amazing video of my channel. First of all, check this intro. So if you want to learn how I make this template intro only for laptop or PC, if you want to learn how I make this template intro on Android device, hit this video how I'm 15 likes. Then I will show you how you can make on Android. So let's start the video. So first of all, you want to go into your Google Chrome or your browser, any browser. So type here just Panzoid, Panzoid, yeah. Then go to this first website, it's official, and get here more creations. For example, I choose this. Okay, and choose this and they will check you there. So here you want to, first of all, if you want to check how this intro is, type here and this. And then you want to go here, this like this here, and just click here, and here they will say new group, and here's the names. I will cut this all new groups. Okay, and I will take my new text and where is, just find where is the clip mark. This is here. You want to type any your channel name. For example, I will write champion. Okay, choose the font bloody. Okay, so look at this cool type intro. Then you want to go this download option and say start video render. It will take maybe 10 or 15 minutes, so wait for it. I am coming back. So after this, it says like this: your render is finished, click below to download. You want to say download your video. Okay, here the video will start downloading. Where is it? It's loading. See you after loading. It downloads. So after this, you want to download, this is main thing. After this, you want to just download this app called File Viewer Plus. It's free. You just go to Chrome and type File Viewer Plus. So the file will be here in downloads, and just do this, and here is file viewer. So here you want to just here's it. So you want to just take this and put it here, and so here it says save as. So it will convert into videos, just convert, and it will be appear here in videos. For example, this is my friend's intro I made for him. and my intros are here. Here 4 intros. So hope you guys like this video. If you did, smash a like button. If you don't like this video, thumbs down. So thanks for watching. Bye. See you in next video. Peace out.